Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am showing you exactly how to enable ChatGPT Search and integration on your iPhone using Apple Intelligence. In 2026, this is the ultimate way to give Siri a massive brain boost. So let's get right into it. First, you need to make sure your iPhone is compatible and updated. You will need an iPhone 15 Pro, any iPhone 16, or the newer iPhone 17 series running at least iOS 18.2 or the latest iOS 19. Head into your Settings app and scroll down to the section labeled Apple Intelligence and Siri. If you haven't turned on Apple Intelligence yet, you will need to tap that button first and let the core models download to your device. Next, look for the Extensions category within that same menu and tap on ChatGPT. This is where the magic happens. Tap the Setup button and hit Next. You have two choices here. You can tap Enable ChatGPT to use it instantly without an account, or select Use ChatGPT with an account if you want to sign in. I highly recommend signing in because it allows your Siri searches to sync with your web and desktop chat history, and it gives you more frequent access to advanced models like GPT 5.4 if you have a Plus or Pro subscription. Then, you should customize how often the AI interrupts you. By default, Siri will ask you for your permission every single time it wants to send a complex query to ChatGPT. If you find those pop-ups annoying, stay in the ChatGPT extension settings and toggle off Confirm ChatGPT requests. Now, when you ask Siri a tough question or need help summarizing a massive PDF, it will seamlessly tap into ChatGPT's knowledge without stopping to ask you first. And that is it. Your iPhone is now officially powered by the world's most advanced AI. If this setup guide helped you level up your phone today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech and education tutorials. See you in the next one.